Hello, Jocelyn McCarthy here, Biology 225, and today I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the different parts of the microscope that we are asked to do in the lab, and also at the same time I have to demonstrate the different magnification powers on the ocular lens. We have different slides that we were asked to do, so I'm going to go ahead and tilt down the camera for you to see what I'm trying to demonstrate. So here we go. Microscope. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the different types of the parts of the microscope here. I'm going to use my inoculation ring, but this is clean. Okay, let's start with the ocular lens. This ocular lens right here is where you go ahead and see, used to look at the specimen, and then this part right here is the arm, actually. These three knobs right here, these are the different magnification. It's called the objective lens, and it has low power, the scanning lens, the medium power, the higher lens, and we have the oil immersion lens. I'm just keeping that handy until we need to. In order for me to use this one, the lab report would ask to go ahead and keep replacing the scanning lens, and once you replace that with the immersion lens, we are asked to go ahead and put a drop of immersion oil onto the slide. Okay, let's move on. This would be the stage clips to hold the slide so it doesn't slide around. And then this slide right here is the illuminator. In our case, the illuminator is movable. It's not connected to the microscope. Some microscopes are actually, the lens are connected here. I mean, not the lens, I'm sorry. The illuminator is connected to the microscope itself, and those are the more expensive type, and you can just go ahead and plug it in and the power would come on. And then these are the focus knobs, fine focus knobs, sorry, tilt the camera here. Focus knobs right here. Then these two knobs right here, it allows you to move the microscope up and down, forward, back, and this one left to right. As you can see, you can move left to right and forward, backwards. Okay, and then so this is the base of the microscope. So we talked about the stage clip, the fine focus knob, and the diaphragm. The diaphragm is right here. And this part right here that I just learned right now is a turret. What it does is just holds these three objective lens. And that's all for the parts of the microscope. And tonight we are asked to go ahead and show, try to find in taking pictures of the different types of slides. And we have different slides here that we were asked to identify on the photographs. As you can see, we have a different bacterium here that we were asked. So in order for me to go ahead and identify which one is the best way to show by taking picture is to change up the different power of the lens. By doing so, turning on the light illuminator for me to see. Some people prefer not to have the illuminating light, but for me, since I can't see clearly, I needed the illuminator. And also, to do that, it's always advised to use the scanning lens first, which is the green one right here. And that's the lowest power of them all. And then change it up to higher power as we go on and so forth. And also at the same time, we have to change the scanning lens with the immersion oil lens, and to see which one gives the best picture, and we were asked to explain which one and why not. So that's for the first video for today, and I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thank you for watching.